Let's change this chart type to a pie chart. Notice some things are missing, specifically all of Atlanta's data. That's because a pie chart is one-directional, with one exception, as you'll see in a moment. It's kind of hard to see what we are looking at, so let's add some data labels. Still not there, so let's click on the Data Labels Options arrow, and for the first time, choose the Data Callout option. You can do some interesting things to these pie pieces. Double-click on one, and the Format Data Point pane will appear. Type 25 in the angle of the first slice, and press Enter. The pie rotates, so you can control the rotation of where the pieces and the labels show up. Next, type 5 in the Pie Explosion field. This is how you separate the pieces if you need to.